In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Notes shortcut to your iPhone control center right here. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center, and then just scroll all the way down until you find Notes shortcut. Add more controls. All you have to do now in order to add that shortcut to the control center is just tap at the plus sign next to it, and that will immediately move that shortcut to the included controls. That means that Notes shortcut has just been successfully added to the control center. You can easily check that by swiping down from the top right corner. As you can see, Notes shortcut is now located right here. We can tap on it to open up Notes, and also in here in control center settings we can change the order of these shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down, and that will also change the order of shortcuts at the control center. As you can see right now, Notes shortcut is located at the second position. If we want to remove a shortcut from the control center, we can easily do so. All we have to do is just tap at the minus sign next to shortcut and then hit Add Remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.